Hello, and welcome to the Needs Languages YouTube channel. I'm really glad you're here today. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We would love to have you subscribe and hear all the neat things that are coming out of here. We are working on having a video come out each week. We talk about personality and communication, and so these are the themes that come out. So, as I'm talking right now, I have a dog sniffing me. So if I giggle a little bit, it tickles. Today, we're going to focus on processing, and I am processing a dog sniffing me. So um, today, let's look at processing. When we process, it refers to the way our brain receives, interprets, and stores information. Human brains process like a computer. We process information that is handed down in our DNA, the environment, kind of the surroundings around us, and what is brought in through our senses, also what we are taught by others. So, what are the senses? So, we have five. We have hearing, taste, vision, smell, and touch, which I was just being touched by a dog. What is interesting is that two people will see or experience something and come out with differing experiences based on how they process the information. Have you ever wondered why? Through research, we have discovered some of the reasons why. One of the reasons why is because of people's needs languages. For example, I'm an IV and one of my neighbors is an RC. So we're abbreviating this for right now. And for more information on that, you can always go to our website. We have a chart and it can explain things. We also have a TED Talk out there that has a chart on it that you can look at. I will leave that in the chat below so you can always check that out. So I'm going to give a brief description of what that means. So that means I process the world through prizes with benefits, and my neighbor would process the world through best environments. So I'll give an example of how that would look. So let's say someone tramples on a rose bush. So I would be upset because often I would take roses to my friends because I see roses as prizes that bring joy. The bringing joy would be benefits to my friends. However, my neighbor would process that by seeing that the people who trampled on the roses did something wrong and should not have messed with their environment. So they would see it as no one should be messing with their space. I would see it as no one should be messing with the prizes because it brings other people joy. They would see it as that was the wrong thing to do. I wouldn't see it as wrong, right, or wrong. That's just how we would process. So when people ask me, don't you see that as wrong? I would say, no, I don't get that because I don't process the world that way. It's just very unique. And it's not that it's good or bad, it's just different. So when we understand processing, it can help us figure out how to belong in the world, which is what I will be focusing on next week is belonging. So if you would like more information on this, so I would really encourage you to not only subscribe to our channel, but please visit our website where we can have many products that you can choose from so you can get more in-depth information on this. We do provide trainings that we are releasing. We do have one that's out right now. We might be having two out by now, depending on what's going on. And so we do have that, and we have some games that are being launched as well that will help you understand how to process and communicate this so you can understand yourself and others. So on that note, I hope to see you next time. Bye.